And you thought you were going to get away without having to listen to me. Well, time to harvest the lettuce now. You can see it's been growing under the lights now for a couple weeks and really doing good. Those LEDs do actually seem to make a difference in it. It seems to have grown a little bit faster this year with the LED lights over the fluorescent. So it all looks pretty healthy. In the beginning, there are some burned edges on the leaves and stuff where I had the lights a little bit too close, I think, for comfort. And once I started moving them back, everything was all right. So I'm keeping them about 5 to 6 inches away from the lettuce now. And you can see I'm going to pick my first 4 pots here. And this one is like a red romaine type lettuce, and thought I could just snap it off, but actually you can see the romaine in another week or two it should be going up into a nice head. It's just starting now, but I'm just gonna cut 4 of these for now. And there's the red one, and then this is a green leaf lettuce. I think that one's black seeded Simpson there. And you can see that did pretty. Oh no, wait, that was another romaine. I'm sorry, that was the Paris Island, I think, COS. And this is the black seeded Simpson right there. That one did real good, and that's like kind of like a leaf lettuce. And then this one's the Genelina, and that one really did good too. So, we're gonna have our first salad today. Been almost 6 weeks since we planted it, so it does take a little while to watch it grow, but it's always fun to get this first salad while it's actually snowing outside. So there it is, four of the heads that I picked, and I'm just gonna put them in a salad spinner now and clean them all up. Now you can see it all looks really healthy, and it did grow really nice under the LEDs. Here's a look at the basil too. We've been using that for a while. I've got a half a dozen of these basil plants like this, and they smell up the house. They're really great. So you can see that the LEDs did do a good job with it. So I think they were really worth switching over to. So I just take this salad spinner and just kind of fill the bowl up and rinse all of it. Guess you don't really have to worry that much when it's grown inside, but you never know if some of that, Miracle Grow or something stuck on the leaves. So I'm just going to give it a rinse and just take that, just have to push down on the handle there, and it spins this thing and gets a good deal of the water out. You still have to dry it with some paper towel when you're done to, get it nice and crispy, but the thing does help quite a bit here. You can see that. And there it is, my first greens for the year. And we probably should be eating this lettuce for probably about 4 weeks. It should last for us, and it'd be a real nice treat for the middle of the winter. So I'm gonna make a salad here, and as you saw, I've got my first seed order in. It was delivered, and I put together the video with the other seeds that I'm going to be using that were saved from last year, and also, some of the leftovers from last year. So, starting to plant the garden now and, get ready for the springtime. It's not too far away now, according to the woodchuck this year. And while I was slaving away at making this video this morning, my wife was busy in the kitchen again, making me some apple butter oatmeal raisin cookies. They're made with a whole jar of the apple butter that we made last fall, and oh boy, are they really good. So we just threw together a couple of quick chef salads there, and you can see those are the pickled habanadas that I pickled last year. They're really good on the salad too, and it was real enjoyable having some fresh lettuce. I keep saying that I'm going to downsize, but gee, somehow that just doesn't happen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.